I have to do my makeup. You can't sit with me today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you're new, nice to meet you. Subscribe. My dog will not leave me alone. It's gonna fall off me. Anyways, I just got out of the shower. I look kind of interesting, but today I'm gonna film my natural everyday makeup. I tend to not wear makeup a lot, and if I do, it's kind of all out. But if I'm just feeling a little bit of coverage, my skin's not looking the best, I look kind of freaking dead. Like right now, literally have a dark circle under my eyes. I did not get good sleep last night, so I have some errands to run, so I thought it'd be a perfect time to show you guys my makeup. I try to use mainly cream products, but of course I'm using powders too. But when I don't wear makeup, I feel like it looks better if I just use cream, because if I try and do powder, I just look like a hot mess. So let's get started. So I already moisturized my face. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of chapstick and then I'll get going. I took my acrylics off and these are my natural nails. I'm trying to grow them out in case you guys were wondering, or hello. If I'm not doing like a full face of makeup, I'm most likely not gonna wear primer. So first off, I'm taking this Jouer Broad Spectrum SPF 20. It's a luminizing moisture tint sunscreen. And this I've been loving. I just basically put it on the back of my hand. I don't like to use my fingers with this because I don't know why, it looks kind of weird. Okay, this is really hard for me. I hope you understand. And I'll take my beauty sponge and just, I need my mirror, and just kind of dab very sheerly all over my face. Make sure you don't forget your eyelids, because I've noticed that always makes me look the most tired. It's super sheer. I mean, I packed it on before when I just was too lazy to use foundation because it's really light. And it does give like not bad of coverage. But next I use my Holy Grail concealer, just the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just gonna take these on like the inner corners of my eyes, just because that's where I have the most darkness. Right here, because that's where I get red. And right here, and sometimes I'll do down the bridge of my nose, but I tend to not do it if I'm having a really light makeup day. I'll just take my beauty blender again and just kind of dab it all in, and then again on my eyelid. Next, so like I said, I've been trying to use more cream products. Like I haven't found a good cream bronzer, so I'm just kind of using what I have. Comment down below if you know of a good like cream contour bronzer stick. But right now I'm just gonna use the LA Girl in the shade Toast, and I'm just gonna use this to like bronze up my face, add some color. I'll tend to either do this, or if I'm just not down to use it, I just feel like cream, if it's not like the best cream, it looks kind of weird, and I just don't think this is the best. But if I'm not down to use this, I'll just take my normal bronzer, and that's what I'll use. Today I'm gonna use this because I'm having more of a cream day. So I'm gonna take it on my forehead. We look so discombobulated because I have like a literal dog on my lap, like making me struggle because she's so attached to me. This is like honestly really hard to rub it. I one time went to school and my friend was like, you have something on your forehead, and it was the bronzer. I just like wasn't rubbed in all the way. Sometimes I'll take this on like the edge of my nose and then down the bridge. I normally will just take my bronzer brush that already has like leftover bronzer on it and just kind of go over it, just to give a little bit more color. I'll like focus on more of my cheek. Next, I'm gonna use the same brush I did with my bronzer, and I'm gonna use blush. This is the ColourPop Between the Sheets Super Shock Blush. And I'm just gonna dab with my brush and then focus on my apples, my cheeks. See, I didn't rub this in on the side. See, maybe my next makeup I'll have better cream products. maybe like a summer makeup tutorial. Just adds a bit of color to my cheeks. Next I'm taking the Sonia Kashuk. It's like a cream highlighter stick, and I don't know where it says the shade. Sparkling Sands. So since it's a stick, it's just super easy. And I'll do a little of my Cupid's bow. She cute or whatever. Sometimes I'll take this and I'll put it on my eyelids to give it like a glossy look. And then just kind of take my finger and run over it. Next, I just take my Anastasia brow wiz and I just kind of comb through my eyebrows. When you're trying to do a natural look, no one has time to do eyebrows. Like, I need to get mine done. There's really no hope to do them, so why would I even bother? I'm gonna take my mascara. This is the CoverGirl Clump Crusher. This was the very first mascara I think I ever owned, like in my lifetime. When I'm having more of a natural day, I'll wear brown mascara. It looks like black, but it's just like this subtle lightness to it. And since I have like light brown eyes, it kind of brings out the green in my brown eyes. It just makes you look less like intense. Oh, I forgot my spray. It's so far from me. So I'm filming in a white background instead of like my normal filming, like in front of my vanity or like in front of my bed, because my room is a completely disaster. I just did laundry and it's just kind of all over the place. I have to put it away, and that's what I'm gonna have to do later. So I already put the chapstick on. I'm just gonna use my sleeve to wipe. But I just take my, I just washed this, kind of a bad idea. Whatever. Don't do this. Use a towel. I'm just so lazy and my dog is on me and it's just too difficult right now. And I'm gonna take this Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. This is like a perfect everyday gloss. I feel like it just makes your lips look so good. So I'll show you guys. Hey. When I'm about to leave the house, I'll finish off with the Mario Badescu. Do you want some? I don't know what this even does for your makeup, but it just like helps moisturize my skin and it helps kind of make it look more dewy. This is really popular. It's the Mario Badescu. I always say Badescu. That's basically all I do. I knew this video would be really quick because I was just showing you guys my everyday makeup natural routine because a lot of people were asking for it. It takes me super quick, like less than 5 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe for more. Make sure you follow all my social medias. The links will be in the description and probably on the screen. I'll put them right now so it'll be easier for you. Sorry, I'm touching my hair a lot. It's because I just showered and it's just gonna frizz up if I don't braid it. Leave a comment what you want to see from me. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I love you all and bye.